everybody, it's Lori. I'm glad you came back to my studio to visit. Thanks for that. Today I'm going to do another straight pour. I'm not sure if I'm going to modify it or what I'm going to do yet beyond that, but I wanted to show you this one here that I did in the last video now that it's dry. I'm not sure if you can see the violet, pearl violet, the Arteza or Amsterdam pearl violet. It's right through here mixed in with the light teal or the light turquoise, but it shifts in the color. They shift and shows between white and purple. It'll show better when it gets resin on it. I do like this. If you saw the last video, you'll know that I'm kind of playing with color and things so that I can decide what colors I want on my big canvas that I'm going to do for my dining room wall. It's going to be a big one, so I want to make sure I have it right. So I'm going to do another straight pour. This one I modified and did some swirls and twirls with the stick. I'm probably going to do something similar to that today, but I did change up the paints just a little bit. Not a lot. I have many of the same paints, but this time I have the straight up golden turquoise phthalo, and that is without the splash of black. That was just too dark for this picture or this painting. So I just decided to mix up some that was straight that. And over here is the pearl violet from Amsterdam. I don't know if you can see it shift here. Probably not. It's hard to see when it's really wet. But it does shift into a really pretty purple. And this is the golden titanium white with just a little bit of the turquoise phthalo. This is the same one that I used in the other painting. And this one is the random blue that is mixed up with who knows what. Some paint that I had left over. I know there's metallics in there. There might be some abalone shell from DecoArt in there. Bling it. Not sure. I think there's some phthalo blue, but it's a beautiful blue. So I'm going to use that. And this that's in the bottle is Artist Loft Metallic Purple. I love this color. I decided to use that one in there today to add a little more bling and a little more depth with the custom dark purple, which has a lot of different colors in it as well. It kind of was something I was playing around with one day. I'm going to use some DecoArt 24 karat gold and probably some Artist Loft Flow acrylic white, and I'm going to pour into a puddle of this here and use this as a flow extender. It's a little thinner mixed than the others, but it's 24 karat gold from DecoArt and champagne gold from DecoArt. So it's got a little more depth with the champagne gold. And that's what we got. And I'm going to layer the cup a little differently today too. So let's paint. So here's the final wet result. I really like this one a lot. I think the colors have a nice contrast, yet they flow together really nicely. I love the way some of the gold cells are coming through, and the lines are very defined. You can see a little bit of the violet, pearl violet in there, the way the light's hitting it. I love, love, love this. I do. And I have to say, that's saying something, because when I do straight pours, ring pours, that sort of thing, I never seem to be very happy with them. But this one, I'm really happy with. Haven't decided on an orientation with it yet, but, you know, that's up to the person who decides to hang it in their house, which I may do here at my house. We'll see. But anyway, let's try this way. Now we're getting the glare from the lights in it, but you can almost see a horse in there. That's kind of cool. Anyway, thanks for hanging with me today. Let me know what you think about it. And please do subscribe and like the video. It sure does help. Thank you for all of those who already have done that and subscribed. I really appreciate it. You guys are the best. I love to hear your comments. Really do. Thanks again, and take care of yourselves. Find some time to take care of you.